Welcome to our Docupulse tutorial on basic search and reasoning. In general, Docupulse stores your data in your personal secure cloud storage inside Microsoft Azure. It is important to understand that the data and the neural network for semantic search is stored in a separated Azure container, ensuring that no data leaves the container at any time. The process of running a search query is divided into two parts. First, Docupulse looks for semantically relevant sections that help answer a specific question on the document. Second, when those sections are retrieved, a neural network takes the results as context to answer the question you asked. A table is written into the sheet that includes all search results, their relevance, and an answer to your question for each document. Now, let's run an example query. We have some work contracts and want to retrieve the name and salary for each contract. We'll use a workspace with some work contracts in German. Now we'll open the search tool. This is your semantic command center for natural language. Here we will create a query. First, set an arbitrary query name. Enter a semantic search text, for example, name and salary. This looks for any sections that give information about an employee's name and their compensation. You can optionally enter keywords if you are looking for very specific words. For now, leave this blank. Next, the scope option defines whether we run the query on each file, getting one response per file, or on the entire workspace, getting one answer overall. Because we want the name and salary for each contract, choose per file. Set results limit to 2. This means that for each document, the 2 most relevant sections are chosen for reasoning. 2 is a good starting point, enough context without crowding the sheet. Feel free to raise it if contracts are lengthy. You can experiment to find the best outcome. Finally, add the actual prompt, the question we are asking: what is the employee's name and salary? Now let's see the results. You'll see an on-sheet table starting with each row representing a relevant document section. The rows include the specific document name, the content of the relevant section, the prompt or question we run on a file, the response from the artificial intelligence, the relative relevance in form of a number between 0 and 1, and the link to the section location. In our example, there are 2 entries per document as we set result limit to 2 results per document. Now we can click on the link to see the relevant sections and then compare if the answers are correct. Recap what you just learned. Understand how Docupulse stores files. Ask natural language questions across your documents. Control retrieval granularity and scope. Receive per-section answers with traceability links and relevance scoring, all inside Excel. Visit docupulse.de to start your free plan or book an enterprise demo. Happy searching!